Hey guys, good afternoon. I want to give you an update on our Florida residents license plate situation. We have been license plate and Florida residents now for a little bit over a year, and we just got our renewal for the truck. And I thought it was really interesting because we were able to just go pick up our tags and all. It just so happens we're near Green Cove Springs here in St. Augustine. And so we drove over about 35-40 minutes from St. Augustine. We got our mail, which had our renewal in it. We could have done it online, but I decided to do that since we were so close. I said, let's just go over there and do it. It was a very easy process. We actually went through the drive-through of the county building to get our license plates renewed. So to give you like an update on that, we've had our truck registered here in Florida now for 1 year. Now, with the renewal process was easy. The price was great compared to North Carolina. Remember, we don't have to get our truck inspected in the state of Florida. In North Carolina, you have to get your truck inspected before you can even do your renewal on your driver's license. Now, along with all that, you have everything from inspection to getting, like I said, get your renewal done. And when you get your renewal done, that also includes your county taxes. Now, the last time we paid taxes on this truck in North Carolina, which was last year, maybe the year before, it was over $800, plus the cost of tags, plus the cost of getting your truck inspected, which probably ended up being somewhere close to $1,000. We got our tags done, no inspection, which covered all our tags, renewal, and whatever county stuff was in there for 2 years. $230-something, $38 I think it was. $238 compared to probably about $900 plus your time to go get everything done, inspection and all that in North Carolina. So that's about a $700 to $800 savings, which in my opinion makes up for the increased cost of insurance here in Florida. Plus we bumped our insurance up because we want to make sure we have, we move a lot, we travel a lot, so we want to have the best insurance that we can have, especially on this big momentum and this big old Ford. So we have hopefully the best insurance we can get. But that was a big savings. Even at $700 a year, that's a big savings. So that's kind of bring you up to date on what's going on, or what a year later. Man, that's so amazing to me that it's a year later since we've had our truck registered here, and now I got it registered or renewed for 2 years, so it's not due again until 2027 for $230 some odd dollars. I just want to come on here and tell you about that because I thought it'd be a good update. A lot of people have asked us about the whole process of getting your unit and your truck registered in the state of Florida, and so that's it. I'm done. Hope you're having a good day. I'm going back. I've been chilling out all day. I'm going back to my chair and watch some more YouTube or whatever, and we'll see y'all later on. Oh, I'm back. We're leaving here tomorrow, and we're going over to Three Flags Thousand Trails Park, and we're going to be there for a week. So we are going to continue our Florida or Wintering in Florida series. So be sure to like, share, subscribe, click the bell, whatever you need to do to keep up with what we're doing. Now, tomorrow's probably going to be interesting because it's supposed to start raining tonight, and it's supposed to rain all day tomorrow. Not looking forward to that. I'm not too keen on traveling in the rain. We don't have far to go, maybe about 2.5 hours. But tear down, set up, all that stuff, in the rain. Yeah. So today I've gotten a lot of things done already. I've already gotten the tanks flushed. I pulled in, not pulled in, but got all my water works just about done. Put up all the furniture that we had out, little things like that. Already checked the slides to see if there was anything, because you see we have trees, to see if there were any branches or anything like that up there. So I will be continually doing little things until tonight. Tonight I'll go ahead and pick up our sewer and all that stuff, get that stowed away so that we don't have to do that in the rain tomorrow. And I'll see how much I can record tomorrow in the rain. Maybe. All right, see you later. Good morning, y'all.
Good morning, y'all.
Lynn's over here cooking today. We are getting ready to head out today. We're going over to Wildwood, Florida, going to Three Flags 1,000 Trails. So before we go, Lynn's cooking some eggs, and we're gonna have some what else we have? Bagels. And
egg with little bacon bits in it.
Cheesy eggs with little bacon bits in it, and a bagel. So we're going over to Wildwood. This is our continuation of our being in Florida.
Winter.
I cannot get titles right.
You having a hard time.
Lord, y'all gonna have 4, maybe 5 different titles for this series of videos. But we're going over to Wildwood to continue our Florida wintering
in Florida series. How about you just listen to me? Because he don't know what he's talking about.
What is it, baby?
Wintering in Florida series. So
okay.
Join us and stick with us, and we're going over to Wildwood, like he said. He got that part right. And it's for the Wintering in Wildwood series.
You're wintering in Wildwood? You see, it ain't as easy as you thought. Okay. Wintering in Florida series. So we're gonna, but we are gonna have one stop that we're not gonna be in Florida for the winter.
Where is that?
I can't tell them.
Oh, okay, I know. I remember.
Where is that? Oh my goodness. Anyway,
I remember.
We're gonna get ready to go in a little bit, but first we're gonna eat, and then we're gonna get everything done. We're gonna try to be out of here by 10 o'clock. We got about a little over 2-hour drive. We're gonna get you in on some of that too, and we'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, we are loaded up, almost ready to go. Not pouring down when we were hooking up, but it did get kind of wet. We did get wet. So we're going to get out of here, and we'll see y'all in a little bit. We're going to try to update y'all as we go along, as usual.
And you know where we're going, right?
And I know where we're going.
All right.
We're going to Wildwood, Florida. Florida.
Three Flags, 1,000 Trails.
Yep. All right, let's ease on out. All right, we have arrived, and we have checked in. So now we're gonna make it through the park. We're at 1,000 Trails, Three Flags. And if you've never been here before, it is a little bit tight.
And they are full today.
They are full.
We go down to Tennessee.
Okie dokie.
At least we on the, I think, the higher end, don't we?
I think so. That is Alabama. Seems like we've been down Tennessee before.
Yeah, I think we have.
And I don't think we're gonna be under a bunch of trees either.
Yeah.
Tennessee. Yeah, I think this is it right here.
That truck is Well, it won't be bad. He alright.
I think he alright. Tennessee. We will see.
In Tennessee.
In Tennessee.
We're on 35 in Tennessee.
Yeah, I got him.
Okay.
Yeah, it seemed like we were right in there somewhere.
Yeah, we've been right in here.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we must be closer to the end because all these are full right here.
Yeah, we are. We're 32, 33,
Oh, right there.
34. Yep.
Man, this is the easiest one we've had.
Ever.
Ever. Ever and forever. Amen.
All right. And it's like I said, it's kind of high.
Yeah. I just want to get out, take a peep. So, I think we're going to be good. I'm going to check the ground. It ain't soft. Oh man, something's been. Probably squirrels finding their treasure.
Winter harvest.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is the nicest one we've had. All right. Check my opposite side. Make sure. Yeah, good to go. Okay. All right. All right, so now I'm gonna back up and get over. Better right there. But we are tilted big time. Whoa, huh? I said, whoa, it's leaning that way.
Wait and see. Let them get.
Yeah. Okay. Nah, it's just falling off on this side. So we just had to get our blocks out. Yeah. Yep, falling off on that side bad. All right, well, at least we're up on the gravel. It'll get some, it won't just go down in the dirt. I'm just moving this out the way for right now.
Okay.
Okay. I shouldn't have put these back in there. I should have put them up there where I can grab them.
You driving on them or back?
I'm gonna drive them. I'm gonna pull straight forward. And you got them on? All right.
Join our journey. In God's grace we see. We're all about the banks. We're living the dream. With laughter and love, we're a perfect team. We inspire each heart to take the lead. Join our journey. In God's grace we see. With every campsite.
Thank you so much for watching. Until our next video, enjoy the journey on the way to your destination.
Through captures and clips, we share the delight. Together we rise, brighter than the night. Enjoy the journey on the way to your destination. We're all about the banks, we're all about the banks. We're living the dream. With laughter and love, we're a perfect team. We're a perfect team. Inspire each heart to take the lead. Join our journey. In God's grace we see.